What's up, fellas? It's your boy Takari Mack, your wingman, your life coach, your confidant. Got something for you. Women are getting sick and tired of how you approaching them, man. What's up, girl? How you doing? Hey, what's your name? Huh? Hey, let me get your number. You asked her for her number already? You don't even know her. Why you so close to her? Get back, man. You just too close. You all in her face, all in her grill. Hey, come here, man. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, what's your name? You know, let me tell you something. Your breath smell like hot dog water, dude. What if we turn the tables and women would approach men like men approach women? Check it out.
Yeah, at TJ Maxx. I know, I'm obsessed.
Oh, hey. You look like you love commitment.
Oh boy, hey, what you got under that shirt, sweetie? Bet it's a good heart.
Bet those arms could put together my IKEA furniture.
Come talk to me, sweetie. You want a family?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby, I bet you'd let me choose what to do with my own body.
Oh, your ass would look so good on my couch. Do you watch reality TV? How are you at foot rubs?
I bet you can handle a girl with all kinds of emotions.
Hey, baby, you hear me? You hear me? Yeah, because you're a good listener.
Boy, I bet your bathroom is so clean.
Ooh, you look so emotionally stable.
Those arms look like they can carry some babies.
You look like a real mess. Let me fix you.
Ooh, damn, baby, I bet you have a job with health insurance.
I bet you would treat me with respect.
Is that bulge real? Ooh, darling, you look monogamous.
Hey, nice shoes. Want a spoon?
Screw you.
Ooh, you talk to your mama with that mouth? Or at all? Because a good relationship with your mother is important to me.
Does the beard match the carpet?
Damn, you're cute. Hey, you want to go back to my place? We can eat pizza. We can hold each other all night.
Hey, you know what a wing girl is, right? Do you know what a wing girl is? A wing girl is that that girl, you know? No, not like that. Not that kind of girl. No, not that kind of girl. That kind of girl. A beautiful girl, really nice looking, you know, make you look good. It kind of demonstrate a little bit of more value to you, you know, when you go places, you know, and it makes you look good. That's your wing girl. That's the girl that's going to help you get the girl. So go down there, sign your name up. Dude, I'm telling you, this is going to be the best thing that ever happened to you in your life. You're going to be able to talk to your very own wing girl face to face, through video, through text. You can text them all you want. This is your wing girl. This is your buddy. Text them all you want. She's going to tell you everything you need to do and everything you need to stop doing. Okay? Do it right now. Go ahead, sign up. Don't wait. You can't afford to grow. It's time for you to find the woman of your dreams. You understand what I'm saying? Do that. Do it now. Sign up, man. Go ahead.